This Wi-Fi connected multi-zone amplifier is a powerful way to send music throughout your home or business. The DAX88 is an 8-source, 8-zone distributed audio matrix amplifier. What does that mean? It means you can have up to 8 different audio sources that can be heard in any or all of 8 individual locations or zones. Your inputs can be connected with RCA, 3.5mm, optical, or even Wi-Fi audio streaming, which we'll get to in a bit. The 8 output zones, including 6 stereo amplified zones and 2 line-level preamp zones, give you total flexibility in your audio system. Now, the 6 amplified zones are great for powering ceiling, patio, or bookshelf speakers, while the 2 additional preamp RCA outputs allow you to connect external amplifiers, active subwoofers, or anything else with an RCA input. True matrix audio routing allows you to play any source in any zone at any time. So suppose you've plugged in an audio source into the first input of the DAX88 with an RCA cable. In that case, you could play that source's audio in your living room, your kitchen, your bedroom, your patio, or even every room in your home at the same time. That being said, don't shy away from grouping systems together for more inputs and more zones, because the DAX88 will work seamlessly as you link systems together. But how do you control all that audio? Well, there are a few ways, including optional keypads that give you control over individual zone functions, such as power, volume, source selection, and even treble and bass adjustments. Keypads connect to the DAX88 from the keypad hub, which allows you to run a separate keypad to each of your zones via Ethernet cables. Now, down in the bottom corner of the keypads, you'll see an IR sensor that works with the DAX88 IR remote, which allows you to control functions from across the room. For comprehensive control of your entire system, use Dayton Audio's Matrio control app, which is available for free on the Apple App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. In Matrio, you gain control of every feature in each zone of your system from your mobile device. You can even select a group of any or all zones and execute mass commands, such as cranking up the volume throughout your house to get the party going. Now, Input 8 is a dedicated Wi-Fi streaming channel that allows you to stream music directly to the DAX88. Use Spotify Connect, AirPlay, or DLNA to play music from streaming services you're already familiar with, such as Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, Tidal, and more. Matrio makes controlling your audio simple and straightforward. You can rename every zone, source, or even the DAX88 unit itself to make it easy for anyone using the app on the same network. And you can preview Matrio in demo mode, even without the DAX88 hardware unit. Demo mode allows you to explore the vast control Matrio provides without the restriction of having a hardware unit on your network. With the DAX88, you can choose your own speakers or use the existing speakers you have in your home or business. Connect them to one of the 6 powered zones on the back. The DAX88 provides a robust 75 watts per channel at 8 ohms that really delivers a powerful and all-encompassing audio experience. But for even more volume, bridge a zone's stereo output together for a stronger 180 watt mono signal. Now, the remaining zones 7 and 8 are preamp zones, useful for connecting to external 70-volt amps in a commercial audio system or adding powered subwoofers or active speakers to a zone. These 2 preamp zones provide additional system flexibility while retaining the DAX88's robust control over your audio with the Matrio control app and Wi-Fi streaming. Another really great feature is that on the back of the DAX88, there are 8 12-volt jacks for automation. These allow you to trigger on other devices in your home, like a projector, whenever a specific zone on the DAX88 is enabled. Plus, it can take trigger commands and power on or even mute when certain other external devices, like receivers, are turned on. Finally, you can connect the DAX88 to your network via the Ethernet port here, and over here is where you can connect the DAX88 hub we spoke about earlier. The DAX88, powered by Matrio, is the new standard for multi-zone audio throughout your home or business, using your music and putting total control right in the palm of your hand.